Hey guys, so I'm out here and I'm taking it out of the water to give you guys the review, but I got the solar pool ionizer. So it comes with these test strips, which will allow me to test what the mineral percentage in the water, and then these to clean and scrape the bottom of this, because as you can see, it gets all the minerals in there and kind of collects them for you, and it stops the algae from growing in the pool. So I've had this for a while now, and I mean, my pool here especially, it used to get a lot of algae here, but here it looks pretty good. So I think it's working, and I mean, I'm keeping it here and keeping it in my pool. So this is really cool, and I like it. It's super easy. I mean, you just leave it in the water, and let me push it away a little, but there it goes, and it sits there in the sun, and it uses the sun, and it gets uses the solar to it's like a chlorine-free ionizer. And I mean, this is what came with it, and it explains it. You know, it says you don't have to worry about damage to your eyes and skin, and it helps protect against microorganisms and transforms the water into more healthy. And so it's like a solar water purifier. So it's pretty cool, and I got it in my pool, so I'm gonna go ahead and give it a thumbs up because it looks like it's working for me.